Conversation 1. Career Consultation. Choosing the right career path.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. Please come in and sit down.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I need advice about my career.
Of course. Tell me about yourself.
I recently finished my studies.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
What did you study?
I studied commerce.
That's good. What are your interests?
I like numbers and planning.
Do you enjoy working with people?
Yes, I do.
That's helpful to know.
I feel confused about my future.
That is very normal.
Everyone keeps giving me different advice.
That can be stressful.
Yes, it is.
What kind of job do you imagine for yourself?
I want a stable job.
Stability is important.
I also want growth.
That's a good goal.
I don't want a boring job.
I understand.
I want something meaningful,
That's a great thought.
but I don't know where to start.
Let's break it down.
Okay.
First, think about your strengths.
I am good at calculations.
That's a strong skill.
I am also organized.
Very useful.
I like planning tasks.
That suits many careers.
Which careers do you suggest?
You can consider accounting.
I have thought about that.
You can also look into finance.
That sounds interesting.
Banking is another option.
Is banking stressful?
It can be, but it offers growth.
I see.
You can also explore management roles.
Do I need more studies for that?
Yes, higher education helps.
Like an MBA?
Yes, exactly.
Is MBA a good choice?
It can open many doors.
But it is expensive.
That's true.
What if I work first,
That is a smart idea.
then study later?
Yes, many people do that.
How do I choose the right job now?
Start with internships.
Internships?
They give real experience.
That makes sense.
They also help you learn your interests.
I like that idea.
You should also improve your skills.
Which skills?
Communication skills.
Yes, I need that.
Computer skills are also important.
I am working on that.
Good.
I feel a bit relaxed now.
I'm glad to hear that.
I was very worried.
Worry is natural.
Thank you for listening.
You're welcome.
What should be my next step?
Make a short-term plan.
Okay,
Apply for internships or entry-level jobs.
I will do that.
Keep learning and improving.
Yes, I will.
We can meet again if you want.
I would like that.
Great.
Thank you for your guidance.
My pleasure.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Conversation 2. Career Consultation. Career Change and Job Switch.
Hello, Anna.
Hello, Ahmed. Please have a seat.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I am thinking about changing my career.
All right. Tell me more.
I have been working for 5 years.
What kind of work do you do?
I work in sales.
Do you enjoy your job?
Not anymore.
Why do you feel that way?
I feel tired all the time.
Is it because of stress?
Yes, a lot of stress.
That can be difficult.
I don't feel happy at work.
How does that affect you?
I feel demotivated.
That's important to address.
I want a better work-life balance.
That's a valid reason.
But I'm scared to change.
Change can feel scary.
What if I fail?
That fear is normal.
I have responsibilities.
I understand.
I can't take big risks.
You don't have to rush.
That's good to hear.
What do you enjoy doing?
I like teaching people.
That's interesting.
I also enjoy writing,
Those are strong interests.
but my experience is in sales.
Your experience still matters.
How?
Sales builds communication skills.
That's true.
You can use those skills elsewhere.
Like where?
Training, mentoring, or consulting.
I never thought of that.
You can also consider content writing.
Is that a good career?
Yes, if you build skills.
Do I need to study again?
Some short courses can help.
That sounds manageable.
You don't need to quit immediately.
That's a relief.
You can transition slowly.
How should I start?
Start learning in your free time.
Okay.
Try small projects.
Like freelance work?
Yes, exactly.
That feels safer.
It builds confidence.
I like this approach.
Also, update your resume.
I haven't done that in years.
It's important.
I will work on it.
Network with people.
I'm not very good at networking.
Start small.
Okay,
Talk to people in new fields.
that makes sense.
Do you feel clearer now?
Yes, much clearer.
That's good.
I feel hopeful.
That's the goal.
Thank you for your guidance.
You're welcome.
Can we meet again?
Of course.
That would help me a lot.
I'm happy to help.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Conversation 3. Career Consultation. Skills, Confidence, and Long-Term Planning.
Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Rohit. Please come in.
Thank you.
How are you feeling today?
Honestly, I feel confused.
That's okay. Tell me what's on your mind.
I feel stuck in my career.
How long have you been working?
Almost 3 years.
What kind of job do you do?
I work as a junior engineer.
Do you like your work?
Sometimes, but not always.
What do you dislike?
I feel I don't have enough skills.
Why do you feel that way?
Others seem more confident than me.
Confidence comes with time.
I worry I am falling behind.
Many people feel the same.
I compare myself with others.
That can increase stress.
Yes, it does.
Let's focus on you.
Okay.
What skills do you already have?
I know the basics of my field.
That's a good start.
I can work in a team.
That's an important skill.
I try to meet deadlines,
Very good.
but I lack confidence while speaking.
Many people face that.
I feel nervous in meetings.
Practice can help.
How should I practice?
Start speaking in small groups.
That feels safer.
Yes, take small steps.
What about technical skills?
You should update them regularly.
I don't know where to start.
Choose one skill at a time.
That sounds doable.
Online courses can help.
Are they useful?
Yes, if you practice regularly.
I often start but stop midway.
That's normal.
How can I stay consistent?
Set small daily goals.
Like studying 30 minutes?
Exactly.
I can try that.
Also, work on your resume.
I feel my resume is weak.
We can improve it.
That would help a lot.
Highlight your projects.
Even small projects?
Yes, every project counts.
I didn't know that.
Your effort matters.
What about long-term planning?
Think about where you want to be.
In 5 years?
Yes,
I want a stable and confident role.
that's a clear goal.
I want to feel proud of my work.
That's important.
Sometimes I doubt myself.
Self-doubt is common.
How do I overcome it?
Acknowledge your progress.
I rarely do that.
Start today.
I will try.
Surround yourself with positive people.
That makes sense.
Avoid constant comparison.
I will work on that.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, much better.
That's good to hear.
I feel more hopeful.
Hope is important.
Thank you for your guidance.
You're welcome.
Can we meet again?
Of course.
That gives me confidence.
I'm glad.
See you soon.
See you soon. Take care.